What is up, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, also known as She's a Model. So y'all, I have reached a pivotal moment in my life. All right, y'all. So I am legit in my 1 year lock extension anniversary. And I just wanted to update you guys on my lock extension journey, you know, just how much I love this journey, you know, how I was able to achieve this journey and make it last so long and just look natural in the process. All right, y'all. And I want to give you guys a few, like a little bit of cons, you know what I mean? Just for having your locks for that long of a period of time, your extensions. And I want to give you guys a lot of pros in having your lock extensions. All right, so let me go ahead and get straight into this video so I can just bask in all of this happiness, because I have reached a year, y'all, and I'm just so grateful that I have actually lasted this long in my lock extension journey. These are now my babies. I don't know if you guys are aware, these lock extensions were actually done by myself. I did not go to a loctician. I didn't go to somebody outside and got it done. I did them on my own in my own home. All right, so if you want to do them, if you want your locks to look nice and natural and you don't want to pay the price of going out to a loctician and getting it done, I will leave my video on how I achieved my lock extensions and all the products that I did use to do my lock extensions. I will leave it below in the description, and I will leave it right here so you guys can see exactly what video to click on. All right, y'all. So yeah, like I said, I did it all on my own. I did not need a loctician, and I truly genuinely feel like that was the best thing for me to do, because if I did go to a loctician and if I had issues like with my locks, I would be a lot more like, you know, alarmed if I had like locks falling out and stuff like that, especially if I paid over $1,200 for it, you know what I mean? So, and it's just a lot of upkeep and a lot of repair and a lot of money. So I'm happy that I actually learned how to do them. I'm happy that I actually learned how to do them, you guys, on my own, y'all. All right, yeah, so like I said, y'all, I'm just very, very happy and pleased that I was able to do these on my own. All right, so if you look at the video, if you go to the video, you don't have to go to it now, but you can see the length on how I did my locks. I believe it was like it was literally about here. Okay, it wasn't as long as it wasn't as long as it is now, so it did grow literally, y'all, so much. It has grown so much since then. All right, and it just brought the beauty out of my locks, y'all. Like, it really brought the beauty out. Like I said, y'all, well, I didn't say, but before I got my lock extensions, I was really contemplating on, do I really want to do this? You know, like, is this gonna look good? Is this gonna look, you know, just the upkeep, like, is it gonna be difficult? And when I tell y'all, it was smooth sailing. I did have a little hiccups along the way, like just reapplying locks and stuff like that, but it wasn't anything out of the ordinary. It wasn't anything that I wasn't expecting, you know, and I was able to do it by myself on my own, so that was even better. So I didn't have to worry about going to a loctician each time I had a lock fall out. All right, y'all. So that was just like definitely a plus for me. Like, I was really happy that I didn't have to go that route. All right, y'all. So yeah, just some pros on what I really love about having my locks is, for one, the length. I love the length. Okay, y'all, I am one to just love long, beautiful, luscious locks. And when I did get them, it wasn't as long. It has grown a lot since then. But nonetheless, I love the length that it has grown to now, and it's just so beautiful, and I really love it so much. Another con that I love about my lock extensions is how well it blends in. All right, y'all, just how well it blends in with my natural hair, y'all. Like, you can't even tell that I have lock extensions on. Like, nobody can tell. I am so pleased with how my locks came out. I am so happy that I did this, you know, this process, and I'm just pleased, y'all. I'm just pleased. I'm sorry if you guys see me looking this way. It's because I'm looking at the fishes. They're acting crazy right now. I wanted to kind of reiterate to you guys to go to my other videos, the pros and cons of lock extensions, in addition to checking out how I actually did these lock extensions. All right, y'all, so if you see this video and you're thinking about getting lock extensions, girl, just do it. Do it. It will be worth it, and try to see if you can do it on your own. I'm telling you, these locticians, they charge you over $1,200–1,300 to do this process when you can do it all on your own. I promise you, I have never done it before, and I was able to do it using the technique and the method that I use. All right, so after you're done watching this video, go ahead and check those 2 videos out. I will leave them in the description, and I will leave the hair that I got as well, so you can purchase that as well. All right, you guys, so yeah, just a few little cons, not too many at all. All right, so there is one con in having lock extensions for a year, all right, y'all, is obviously there's going to be breakage. All right, so time to time I have locks that are breaking, and that is the lock extension. All right, so sometimes the lock extension breaks, but since I know how to do them and how to repair them, that is a minimal issue for me, because I'm able to just reattach whenever that tends to happen. All right, so honestly, y'all, that's the only con that I have. And I'm telling you guys the honest truth, like, I love my lock extensions so much. You know what I mean? It's to the point where I don't even consider them lock extensions anymore. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting lock extensions, get it, like I said, and make sure you guys check out my videos. Those are below. Make sure you guys check those out, y'all, because it is very informative, because it's very informative on how you're able to go about it, just some pros and some cons, and how you apply it to your natural locks. All right, and another thing I want to mention, when I did start my lock extensions, I already had a lock, so it wasn't from root to end. All right, my locks was probably about like this length, so I did have locks. All right, it's not like I started from root to end, but it would be the same method that I use. But yeah, y'all, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick and easy little update on my lock extensions, y'all. So thank y'all again so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, y'all. I always want to mention in my videos too, I have a Christian clothing brand, and it is called She's Got Faith Apparel. All right, I will leave that in the description as well if you want to purchase. All right, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day and or night whenever you guys are watching. Bye bye.